हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे वोल्टास Q2 रिजल्ट्स के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करते हैं वोल्टास Q2 रिजल्ट्स। कॉन्स नेट लॉस एट ₹7.41 करोड़, लॉस प्लेज फाइल। ओके, सन ऑफ साइज Voltas Limited NSE minus 1.86%, posted a loss for the second quarter on Thursday, dented by higher expenses and one-off expenses related to a contract terminations. The cooling and engineering products makers consolidated net loss for the 3 months ended September 30 was ₹74.1 million. Okay, compared with a profit of ₹1.04 billion a year ago. Okay, I repeat, the 3 month ended September 30 was ₹74.1 billion, $8,96,660.21, compare with a profit of ₹1.04 billion a year ago. Voltas now, for its air conditioners, refrigerators and air purifiers incurred one-off expenses of ₹1.06 billion as an overseas customer terminated a contract. Okay, incurred one-off expenses of ₹1.06 billion as an overseas customer terminated a contract. Okay, overseas customer terminated a contract. Okay, the company incorporated in 1954 as a joint venture between Switzerland's Volkart brothers and India's Tata Sons, said it was evaluating legal remedies to challenge the terminations and recover the proceeds of bank guarantee and due amounts from the customer. The COVID-19 pandemic and the Russia-Ukraine war have led to surge in the raw material cost, with consumer goods makers globally taking below to their margins. Overall expenses rose 6.9% in the second quarter. Okay, profit before exceptional items and tax stood at ₹1.20 billion compared with ₹1.43 billion a year earlier. Okay, I repeat, profit before exceptional items and tax stood at ₹1.20 billion compared with ₹1.43 billion a year earlier. Okay, consolidated revenue from operations had a slender rise of 4.7% to ₹17.68 billion. Shares of Voltas, which competes with LG Electronics Inc. and Samsung Electronics Company Limited, dropped about 6.8% in the quarter. Competes with LG Electronics Inc. and Samsung Electronics Company Limited. Shares of Voltas, which competes with LG Electronics Inc. Okay, I repeat, shares of VOLTAS, which competes with LG Electronics Inc. and Samsung Electronics Company Limited, drop about 6.8% in the quarter, which competes with LG Electronics Inc. Okay, so guys, Volta's quarter 2 results cons net loss at rupees 7.41 crore loss pledge filed. ओके सो गाइस, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार, बोलो राधे राधे।